Alrighty, this is my review for this pre-knife sharpening set. It comes with this right here is a magnetic strip, excuse me, a magnetic strip up here and below. This right here is not magnetized or so. It's just plastic. And it comes with a sharpening one, a pole sharpening stick, whatever you want to call it, as well. My favorite part is the handle. You can hang it on the wall next to your knives, or you can hang it underneath your kitchen sink. That's where mine's gonna go. But a sharp, whoops, my finger's in the way. Okay, here we go. This is an old scissors. I use it for almost everything. Kind of needs to be cleaned a little bit, but I'm just going to leave it like this and sharpen it like this. Just go one way. And then do it this way. And then let's see if it cuts. Oh. There we go. 5 stars. Bye.